Hey guys, this is a very interesting article that I would like to point out to you guys. This is March the 7th, and it's showing March the 7th on that. And this is published by the National Vaccine Information Center, very worthy place that was created by Barbara Loe Fisher, and she has a vaccine-injured child. Okay, so this is the vaccine reaction. And I'm just going to scroll down as best I can and line this up, and hopefully you can read this or bring it up yourself on your computer. I'm shaking, my hand is shaking, and I don't know how well this will do. But you can pause this and read this. And this is a very, very important thing to learn about vaccines. And China has infiltrated pretty well everything in the United States. They have infiltrated our food supply. And they put toxic preservatives, and they're allowed to put above the amount that we can put in our food here in the U.S. And I will prove that to you because I will show you at the end of this video. For instance, you think you're buying something healthy, and what happens is it'll say package. A lot of times it'll say the food is packaged such and such a place. And then you look a little closer, and basically a lot of times you don't even know where it actually came from. They'll say packaged in wherever they so choose to say packaged. And let's see on down here. Basically, what you'll need to do is you will need to research this for yourself. And then, of course, it has the comments down here below. So we'll see how this does. Okay, guys, this is Bloomberg News, October 28, 2015. Why the FDA is worried about Chinese drugs in your medicine cabinet. You want to look this up and just look at the whole shebang. I'll just scroll down here and show you one important aspect. Okay, this is an interesting point. Heparin. At least I thought it said heparin in this part here. Yes, it does. There are serious risks to patients when drugs aren't up to standard. In 2008, a blood thinner called heparin was made with contaminated Chinese ingredients. The point that I'm trying to make, guys, is that it is going to be hard for us to actually find out how many drugs, how many biologics, how many ingredients that go into vaccines come from China. It's going to be like a really, really hard because of the way they're doing things now. I mean, who knew when they were taking heparin that the heparin was coming from China? Who knew, guys? Now, so how are we going to know what drugs, what prescription drugs comes from China, what components come from China that goes into vaccines? I would say that it is going to be extremely hard to determine what comes from China. And bear in mind, we get a lot of food from China. Toys, pet food, you name it. Okay, guys, now here's for example. Wegmans. Organic. Goji berries. USDA. Organic. Yum, yum, right? Okay, it's made in China. I just have to find it. Where it is on here. Product of China. It may occur, naturally, it may contain naturally occurring sulfates. Now, how cool is that? Certified organic, but it may have preservative called sulfate. Now, do I believe that? I definitely believe that it's got sulfate in it, preservatives. It's coming from China. But guess what, guys? This is considered organic, and it is certified, and it's a USDA. Now, I rest my case, guys. Okay, guys, one tip. When you go to buy goji berries, you shake the goji berries. You hear that? It sounds like little rocks in there. Well, they're dried up, see. They're absolutely nothing more than rocks. You want your goji berries to be moist